Hi everyone, this is Dr. Kirandeep Kaur. Thanks to whom who subscribed my channel and who did not yet, please subscribe my channel. So today we will talk about ACL injuries and some exercises and stretches to repair or heal ACL injury. What is ACL? ACL is anterior cruciate ligament, major ligament of the body which connects thigh bone to the shin bone at the knee. So why ACL injuries occur? ACL injury basically occur when there is a sudden twist and bad landing from the height and wrong jump. So this is occur basically in the basketball, football and tennis players. Symptoms: it may cause knee swelling and severe pain, which may cause inability to walk and loss of range of motion. So now we will start some exercises and stretches to heal ACL. First exercise is heel sliding. Touch the heel with your ground and move this. This can help you in bending of the knee. You can do this for 10 to 15 times and then relax. Secondly, you have to contract your knee, push your knee and stretch your foot towards you. Hold it for 10 seconds, then relax. Don't press the knee with your hand, just push your knee, stretch the foot, hold for 10 seconds, then relax. Do it for 10 times. Third, you have to place the ball or a towel roll under your leg and stretch the foot this way. First in downward and then in upward direction. Hold there for 10 seconds, then relax, then hold it in upward direction for 10 seconds, then relax. You can do this for 10 to 15 times. Fourth, you have to place the ball under your knee and contract the muscles, stretch your foot towards your side, hold it for 10 seconds, then relax. Go slowly. Place the ball under your heel, press it for 10 seconds, then relax. Do it for 10 times. Last, we have to do SLR, straight leg raise. You can bend your other knee and then do SLR with your affected leg. Hold it for 10 seconds, then relax. It may cause some pain initially. You can do icing before the exercises and after the exercises as well. Do it for 10 times. You can do icing before the exercise and after the exercises. You can do icing around your whole knee. Apply any anti-inflammatory gel after 10 minutes of icing, and you can go for ultrasonic therapy. It may relieve your swelling, pain and improve your healing. There is a great system to describe ACL injury. If your doctor recommends for the surgery, then do these exercises first to strengthen your muscles and recover fast after the surgery. If your ligament is partially stretched and mild injury, then don't go for the surgery. Just do these exercises to strengthen the ligament and muscles, and to heal the ligament fast, do icing and ultrasound. Thank you so much. Please keep watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you.